What's good, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to Auto Review. I am Floyd. So this is the 2020 Polo GTI going for 321,900, and I'm looking to pay 6,180 per month. It has 91,478 kilometers on the clock. It has a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbocharged petrol engine producing 147 kilowatts of power and 320 newton meters of torque. It can accelerate from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 6.7 seconds, and top speed of 240 kilometers per hour, and a 6-speed dual-clutch DSG automatic transmission, and a fuel consumption of 6.3 liters per 100 kilometers. This car, it is beautiful. I didn't see anything strange. Even the tire is still okay, but the rim there has a scratch. Even the bumper there at the back, but anything else, it is good. If you love this car, please go and check the Decra report so that you can have more information about it. The exhaust, to me, they seems like they are still standard, but it seems like the bumper, it has been like removed. So all the cars that have been like posting, they're from Joburg South, next to Southgate. But yeah, man, this 2020 Polo GTI is still good. When it comes to the interior, man, there's nothing special about the Polo GTI interior. It's the same as the Polo, but you have your red headlighting there, your steering wheel wrapped with rubber, and your leather seats. Yeah, man, your infotainment display is there. Yeah, there's nothing special about this interior, but it is still good. What do you think about this car? Yeah, man, it is still beautiful, still beautiful. Our second car for the day is this 2018 BMW X2 going for 317,900, and I'm looking to pay 6,108 per month. It has 128,200 kilometers. It has a 2-liter 4-cylinder twin cross turbo petrol engine producing 141 kilowatts of power and 280 newton meters of torque, accelerating from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 7.7 seconds. It has a 7-dual clutch Stephonic automatic transmission with fuel consumption of 6 liters per 100 kilometers. This BMW has that beautiful wrap there. Even the color is still okay. Oh man, first time I saw this car here, I thought, hey, it's from the Jealous Boys. But if you buy this car, man, you're gonna trouble them on the road. But yeah, man, the X2 is still beautiful. It has 2 exhausts there and orange lining there at the back. Even on the side there, all the windows are tinted. But the only thing that is missing here is the sun. Oh, we have the sunroof. We have the sunroof. So when it comes to the interior, we have your iDrive system with navigation and Bluetooth connectivity. Sports seat wrapped there with leather, and your steering wheel, man. Yeah, man, the car, it is beautiful, man. If you buy this car, man, Kataza. This BMW is very beautiful. Our third car for the day is this 2016 Jaguar, going for 289,900, and I'm looking to pay 5,602 per month. It has 89,000 kilometers on the clock. It comes with a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbocharged diesel engine producing 132 kilowatts of power and 380 newton meters of torque, acceleration from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 8.1 seconds, and top speed of 142. It has a 8-speed automatic transmission and also coming with a fuel consumption of 5.5 liters per 100 kilometers. This Jaguar, it is beautiful. It has exhaust there, still standard. Everything on the car, it is still good, no dent, no scratches. Even the color, it is still good. Yeah, man, this car, it is still in a good condition. Even the mileage they are still low. Yeah, man, it is still beautiful. It is still beautiful. As you can see, even the tires, rims, no scratches. It also comes with a sunroof there. When it comes to the interior, you have your multi-function steering wheel and a rear view camera and a parking sensors, 8-inch touchscreen, and your seats there, cream white with combination of black, giving you that premium feeling. Yeah, man, This car, it is still good. Even the interior, it is still good. Yeah, man. Our fourth car for the day is this 2014 Audi S3, going for 281,900, and you're looking to pay 5,458 per month. It has 99,408 kilometers on the clock. The S3 has a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbocharged petrol engine, producing 206 kilowatts of power and 380 newton meters of torque. When it comes to acceleration, you get an acceleration from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in 4.8 seconds. It has a top speed of 250 kilometers per hour. When it comes to transmission, you're getting a 6-speed S-tronic dual-clutch automatic and a full capacity of 6.9 liters per 100 kilometers and a full tank capacity of 55 liters. According to me, I didn't see anything wrong with the car. The bumpers are still attached. The color is still okay. It doesn't have any scratches, no dent. The S3 is good, man. It also has 4 pipes. I think they are still standard. So if you want to know a lot about this car, check the Dekra report. Each and every car that I'm posting on this channel is from Joburg South. So when it comes to the interior, you have your MMI radio with folding infotainment screen, iPad connectivity and Bluetooth. You also have your leather seats, steering wheel wrapped with rubber, armrest. Yeah, man. The car, to me, it is still okay. Yes. What do you think about this Audi S3? Our next car for the day is this 2017 Mini Cooper, going for 193,900, and you're looking to pay 3,868 per month. It is a category A, meaning you can finance the car. It has 168 kilometers on the clock. It comes with a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbocharged petrol engine, producing 189 horsepower and 1,250 RPM, accelerating from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 7 seconds. It has a 6-speed manual transmission. When it comes to fuel consumption, you're getting a 9.6 liters per 100 kilometers. This Audi has a very, very beautiful rim, as you can see there. The color, it is still okay, no dent, no scratches. Yeah, man. This is the VW R400. By the way, the person who modified this car, man, what were you thinking, man? It's no longer GTI, it's R400. So what does that 400 mean? So this is the Golf 7 GTI. I don't know which year is this one, but it has a 2-liter engine producing 102 kilowatts of power and 350 newton meters of torque. So at WeBuyCars, they didn't put the mileage, the pricing, so you have to scan there. But hey, the car, man, the car is different. Hey, even though you can check there the back, even the exhausts, they're not sideways, they are in the middle there. Yeah, man, I don't know how much this car is. So if you want to view this car, go to Joburg South WeBuyCars. I think it's there, man. It's there. I don't think a right person can buy this car. I don't think, man. If you love things, yeah, you will. But hey, this one, my brother. So this car's body is still okay. Even the color, it has a sunroof there. It has black windows, tinted. Yeah, man. That's your R400. While I was there, the other guy said he wanna view this car. And what I've noticed about this car is that you need to service it. You also need to do a lot of things, man. Yeah. Our last car for the day is this 2011 Golf 6 GTI, going for 97,900. It's a category B, meaning you cannot finance the car. It has 260 kilometers on the clock. It has a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbocharged petrol engine, producing 210 horsepower and 280 newton meters of torque, accelerating from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 6.9 seconds, and a top speed of 238 kilometers per hour. You're also getting a 6-speed DSG automatic transmission and a fuel consumption of 7.4 liters per 100 kilometers. this car, it is very old. It is very old, man. I think buying this car, man, is going to give you a lot of problems, but the condition of the body is still okay. But this one, Mafita, this one is it's a problem. DSG is a problem. If you come across a car that has a DSG, just know it's a problem. So this car has a sunroof. So when you come to the interior, you have your CD radio playing with Bluetooth connectivity and USB, leather seats, power windows, power steering, wheel with multifunction. Yeah, man, that's it about the car. But yeah, it is still good, still good. You can buy this car for a project, man, not a daily thing. For a project. Thank you for watching Buffet 2. Please subscribe, like, and comment. Thank you.